So two of the technologies that have been patented out of our laboratories here at the university, one is a nanoparticle engineering technology where very small particles of crystalline drug are made. So crystalline drug particles have a crystal habit. So a lot like table salt. Salt has a crystal. Being small particles enables those small particles to have a much faster dissolution rate than larger particles. The smaller particles with this technology have particle sizes around 200 to 300 nanometers in size. When those are incorporated into the different delivery systems, they're able to be rapidly dissolved, and then the dissolved drug available for absorption through the gastrointestinal tract or through the lungs, depending on what the site of absorption is. The second process is really different. Here we have a solution of the drug. The drug is dissolved in an organic solvent, so not water. It's an organic solvent such as ethanol, acetonitrile, methanol, organic solvents such as those. The drug is dissolved there with some type of stabilizer, and then they are rapidly frozen at very, very fast freezing rates. By that, we are able to form drug substances that don't have a crystalline structure, and these drug substances are called amorphous forms or amorphous morphology. Amorphous drugs are able to dissolve into an aqueous solution at much, much higher concentrations than normally would be found with the corresponding crystalline drug substance. We call this the ability to supersaturate an aqueous solution. By that then, when that drug, the amorphous morphology, is taken orally, for example, it's able to have very high concentrations of drug in the stomach or the upper small intestine and really serve as a driving force to enable dissolved drug at the supersaturated levels to be absorbed and then systemically available. So those are two examples of particle engineering technologies that we are practicing today. Those two technologies we have spun out from the university, a company in partnership with a local funding group, and are developing products around those two technologies and working our way through clinical studies, and ultimately, hopefully, we'll file the appropriate regulatory dossiers.